Hi everyone, I'm Amy. It's almost time for the big game. So today I'm making honey barbecue chicken. This easy and delicious recipe takes just a few ingredients. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and line a baking sheet with foil and then set it aside. In a bowl, add 1 cup of barbecue sauce and 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir this together until it's well combined. For this recipe, you will need 12 to 15 chicken drumsticks. You can either leave the skin on or remove it. Brush the honey barbecue sauce over the chicken. Then wrap a slice of bacon around the drumstick and then place it onto your prepared baking sheet. Repeat until you have used all of your drumsticks. Then take 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and sprinkle some on the top of each drumstick. Now, just bake this in the oven for about 35 minutes or until the chicken is done. And here it is, honey barbecue chicken. This is a great dish to serve for game day or any time. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'm scared you're gonna throw it. I'm Amy. Oh my God! You almost hit me in the head. In a bowl.